Good morning, children. How are you? Children, today our new topic is going to be very interesting. Today we are going to do the topic languages of the world. Children, you know different countries have different languages or states have also different local languages through which they communicate. Okay, children? The language which is spoken and written by the majority of people in a country is called the national language of that country. I shall explain this with an example. Like there are 28 states in our country, India, and different languages are spoken in different states of India. You know, in all the states, different languages are spoken. And for example, Punjabi language is spoken in Punjab state and it is called the mother tongue and local language of Punjab. In the same way, Tamil is spoken in Tamil Nadu and Kannada is spoken in Karnataka. But Hindi is spoken all over India, so it is known as the national language of India. In this topic, we will discuss different languages which are spoken in different countries in the world. Now, as I told you, Hindi is the national language of India. Next is English is spoken in USA or United States of America. Japanese is spoken in Japan. Nepali is the national language of Nepal. Sinhala is the national language of Sri Lanka. Singapore's national language is Malay. Spanish is spoken in Spain. German is spoken in Germany. Thai is the national language of Thailand. Finland's national language is Finnish. English is spoken in UK or United Kingdom. Greek language is spoken in Greece. Chinese is spoken in China. Australia's national language is English. Urdu is the national language of Pakistan. French language is spoken in France. Portuguese is the national language of Brazil. Children, I hope you understood the topic very well. Thank you. Have a great day.